Hello guys, welcome to VRM24.com YouTube channel. My name is Vadim and today I will comment and you will watch the video how to disassemble the ZTE Blade A530. The assembly has the first difficulty or easy rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. We find a special gap in the cover, hook it up and carefully remove the back cover. The back cover is removable and opens easily. Under the cover is also removable battery, two connectors for SIM cards and one for the memory card. We take the battery out, which has 2600 mAh capacity, and put it aside. Now we take a crosshead screwdriver or Phillips 1.5mm aka #30 and unscrew the screws along the edges and in the center. I don't know if the ZTE puts warranty marks on the screws or not, and therefore I can say if the phone has been disassembled before us or not, but the fact is that there are no warranty stickers on the screws and the assembly is quite easily. Nevertheless, it's not easy to say so. In some smartphones of this type, you have to peel off this white label with information to get to the bottom flat interboard cable. And I don't know if we will do it or not, so we will see. All screws are the same in color, length and shape. We look that all screws we unscrewed. We start to disconnect the middle cover, which is held on by clips. The smartphone is not new, made in 2018, but unfortunately we have not come across it before. In the middle cover there is a loudspeaker and connectors for the earpiece speaker, as well as contacts for antennas. So we will not need to peel off the label, only disconnect the connector, and we will also need to disconnect and unstick the vibration motor. This is easier and safer than unsoldering its wires. On the subboard we have a wired vibration motor, a micro USB port for charging and data transfer, a microphone and other elements. Let's move on to the motherboard. quite curious solution. We need to unscrew the screw to disconnect the display module cable. Probably the first time I've met such a thing. Display cable fixation with one screw. It seems to me that the screw also holds the motherboard. I guess it's unusual, but wise. Peel off the protector film on connectors. Now we disconnect the interboard cable, disconnect the connector of the side buttons, and we can carefully remove the motherboard. Now we disconnect connectors and remove the 5 megapixel front camera and 30 megapixels rear camera. So now we're done. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to comment on this video for you guys. And guys, you remember the drill. Watch, like or dislike, subscribe, comment, and take care of yourself.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.